You should download. Yeah, look, is here a grand? No, wait, that's a private jet. That's not a ground convertible. That's a grand crew. No, like just. Oh, here's the entrance. Do you? Oh, look, the beauty queen. Oh, it's aligning to the door. Wait, we didn't get takeoff clearance. No, we didn't get takeoff clearance. We had to wait for a while to get takeoff clearance. They broke the rules. What kind of plane is that? That's a Bombardier or a Learjet. I think it's a Bombardier. Aircraft. Not an airline, just an aircraft. Smaller than the plane. Oh my goodness. That dude did not get takeoff clearance. Why is he doing this? Dude's gonna get fired from his job. He did not get takeoff clearance. Every time he got takeoff clearance when he was on like taxi.
Be careful.
Yeah. Nina. Man, where is the Alaskan? Come on. Oh, that's a special liver. Oh, that's JetBlue. That's JetBlue over there. Yeah, this is the only runway. This is one of the most dangerous airports.
Why?
Because all the buildings, they can't like make another runway because the Marine Corps stuff.
But do other airports have two?
Yeah, there's way more. Hey, look at this. Hey, look. I'm not
So wait, the other airports have two runways?
Yeah, like some runways are 5 runways. Alaskan and Broward. And of course, because it's blue. JetBlue. Oh, look at Charlie. Charlie. Honk. Honk. Please honk. Please. Please. I don't want to do this. Please. Hey, look. That's an Airbus A320. Neo is like a longer version. And Max for Boeing is longer. Coaster! I'm gonna go over here. Bye. Whoa. JetBlue. Whoa. Coaster. JetBlue. Coaster train. Coaster. Southwest. Yeah. Look, it's a new version. the coaster. Of course. Oh wait, I think it's an Amtrak. It's an Amtrak. Oh yeah, it is an Amtrak, I think. It is an Amtrak! It is an Amtrak! Surfliner! Whoa. This is the same one we saw. Hey look, there's a butt.
The caboose.
Yeah, the caboose, aka butt. Hey look! Let's go. Let's see the smoke. Let's see the smoke. Alright, let's see the... Oh, that's gonna be a rough one. Oh. No. No smoke. Right? Oh. How is in there smoke?
You can literally almost touch the airplane, huh?
Yeah. Is it like really tall? Yeah. Because all the buildings here. That was cool that we saw the Surfliner. That's a rare train, by the way. They operate on those ones. And my thing is not focusing. Now it's focusing. I'm guessing. Oh, look, fire truck. Oh, an American is gonna take off. Un Americano is gonna take off. A320! I wish I could... You're kidding me. You're another train? Yeah, I told you this. Doesn't mean there's like a lot of trolleys today. Doesn't mean there's a lot of trolleys.
There's a lot of tunnels there.
Yeah. I gotta upgrade this. If the Southwest plane is a different color, it equals special. Another trolley? I'm getting tired of these trolleys. Too darn much. So you know the engines are like 0%. They look flat, right?
Where am I looking at? Where's the
The engines on the wings. Yeah. Why is there so many darn
They're
trolleys?
kind of small though, the engines, if you think about it.
Yeah, and they're tall as you. Not even kidding. A 747 engine is like tall. It was tall as a flight attendant, literally. Just take off! Oh my goodness, just take off already, man. Air traffic control, please get him.
Where's the tower? There's another train coming over there. What is that?
It's a coaster!
There
thing
goes
is
Southwest.
clean.
Okay, ready for kickoff.
Yeah, that finally took off.
Yeah. Any landings coming up?
No, I didn't check on flight yet. You should download Flight Radar 24. Yeah, you should download Flight Radar 24. I still hear the beep. I still hear the plane. That's how loud that thing is. That thing is deafening. You should download Flight Radar 24.
Where is the bird poop? Be careful.
Yeah, I'd recommend downloading it.
What, the flight radar?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, so you can track
I heard something.
And Browner. Alright, goodbye, Alaska. Unlike the surf landing, that thing was okay. Yeah, should we go at the corner? Cause like
Corner.
the corner like way over there. Cause he like, yeah, we should probably go there. Cause like the planes like land exactly like.
Is there any landings coming up?
No, I don't think. I still hear it. That's just freaking crazy. How loud is that thing, man? Gosh. And I need to charge this thing. It's already at 5.
5%?
Yes.
Oh, look, it's good.
Finally one coming. Alright, I'm gonna go in here. To get on my tippy toes, that's how hard it is. Oh, that's enough landing. I feel bad.
That was cool.
I don't know where I was going. Actually, yes, I might need to record on your phone.